Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be showing you my affordable eyebrow tutorial. Please don't mind my face. I'm having really bad breakouts right now, so please just disregard that. Hopefully the lighting is okay. I'm definitely going to be looking into either buying a new camera or because right now I use my cell phone, which it has great quality, but my lights, I have the umbrella lights and I just don't feel like they really give awesome lighting, especially because like today it's a little bit gloomy, but I wanted to go ahead and film for you guys, so hopefully you guys still enjoy this. So we're just gonna go ahead and get started. My face is clean and this is, what did I do with my, okay, so I lost my, oh, here it is. So the eyebrow pencil that I'm going to be using, so this one's going to be the affordable one that I use. I have a few affordable ones that I truly love. I just ran out of those, and so I'm going to use another one. Today I'm going to use the Morphe Micro Brow Pencil in Mocha. And this is very affordable. I believe this is about $5 or so. Two other ones that I truly love and are affordable is the e.l.f. brow pencil. That one is $2. You guys have seen me use that on my channel. You know that I truly love that one. I also love the Maybelline eyebrow pencil. It's green with, and then the tip is whatever color that you get. It's really skinny and defined. I can't remember the exact name, but I truly love that one as well. That one, the only thing I could say is that you don't get a ton of products, so it does run out fairly quickly. But I do truly enjoy that one as well, and I did run out, like I said, so therefore I'm using this one in the video today. So the first thing that I like to do, and I'm going to be looking down in my mirror, but I'll show you guys as I go. So the first thing I like to do is brush my brows up. And as you can see, like right in here, I'm missing a ton of hair. But on this one, it's a little bit more fuller when it comes to the back side. So what I do is I'll brush them up like this first. And then what I'll do is I'll go in with my pencil. And I'll just kind of shape them to my liking, the way that I want them. This does have a little spoolie on the end, so that's great. So what I typically do is I'll take it and then I'll just go ahead and outline them. And I try not to go too far down from where my hairs actually are. This one's a little bit redder for me, but it'll still work. I'll still make it work. So, and then what I do is I'll just go in and I'll just kind of comb them down like this once I've done that bottom piece. And definitely, I'm not a professional. As I told you guys before, this is just how I do my brows, and my brows are definitely one of those things that I'm constantly getting compliments on, and people are wanting to know what I use, how I do it, and so I wanted to share with you guys. Because I do get a ton of compliments, I thought that it would be nice just to give you guys the way that I do my brows. And I love when people come into our store and they're starting new with makeup and just kind of letting them know how I do brows. And I try to tell them, because I feel like I do it in the most easiest way possible. To some it may be complicated, but for me I think it's one of the easiest. So I just go ahead and go to the other side. And I do later on go in and I'll clean them up and all of that. This is just, I'm just pretty much outlining, as you can see. This one is on the redder side for me. So just like that, and like I said, I'll take the spoolie and I'll just go ahead and brush them down that way, like that. And then what I'll go ahead and do is go up on the top and kind of follow the hairs. Sometimes I go up a little bit higher than where my hairline is, but most of the time I'm just completely, and you see I have one wild hair right there that does not want to do anything. It's definitely not the proper color for my brows, but we're just gonna make it work. Okay, so then what I go ahead and do again is I'll go ahead and take the spoolie and I'll just brush them up once again, like I did initially the first time. And there are so many great affordable brow products nowadays. If you are wanting to spend a little more, the ones that are truly my favorite, that I personally love, is the Benefit, any of the Benefit eyebrow pencils, whether it's the definer or even just the regular pencil, precise pencil. I like that one. Or the new Urban Decay. I mentioned that to you guys in a previous video. That is one of my all-time new favorites. I truly do like the look that it gives and all of that. So those would be my two recommendations when it comes to eyebrow pencils that are my current high-end favorites. I have recently tried a few others that I'm still testing out, and will let you guys know whether or not I do really like them. And I'll let you know what those ones are as well. But for now, I would say those are my two higher end, and then I told you guys my more cost efficient ones that are my favorite as well. So then what I just go ahead and do is I'm gonna go ahead and follow each of the hairlines and just basically go ahead and go in, and I'm just gonna be making soft hair-like strokes. So I just follow them and I just make just like that, and then I'll go ahead and brush through them again. As you can see if we can turn the light down a little bit more. I don't know if you guys can really tell. So just like that. And then I'll go through them and I'll rebrush them. And then I will go ahead and go in and clean them up a little bit with a little concealer, like on those spots that I maybe went too much with. Like right in here. So hard to tell because the lighting is not. So this is the one that's done versus the one that is not. Again, this is not the correct shade for my brows. I accidentally grabbed the wrong color, but we're just gonna go ahead and go with it and make it work. So I just basically do that to each side. And honestly, it used to take me so long to do my brows, but now it does not take me long at all. I'm just following the hairs and just going in. Just like that. Hopefully you guys can see. Okay, so that's what I do. And then sometimes I will go in with a concealer. I'm trying to find one. And I have this one from Maybelline. It's the Maybelline Brow Precise. And I just take it and I'll just go ahead and follow the underneath my brows. And then I'll also go up here, follow that around. And it fits perfectly under your brows. And then I'll just go in with a brush. This is from Morphe M173. It's like a fat concealer brush. And I'll just go in and I will blend all that in. A lot of times, to be honest, like when I'm going to work, I don't have time to be doing all this extra steps. So I will just go ahead and just leave them as they are, and I'll just, you know, like this, and then I'll put some brow gel typically on them. I use the Tarte one is really good. I also have the Benefit and the Anastasia clear brow gel. I don't care for the colored ones, but they do have some new ones that I have yet to try. So if I do give that a try, I will let you guys know. That's in every shade. But I will typically just go ahead and put some setting brow powder on top. So just like that. I like my brows to look as natural as possible. And to me, this is fairly natural. Sometimes I'll do more dramatic brows, but majority of the time I do like them to be more natural. But this is pretty much, I don't know if you guys can really tell because my lighting is not so great, as I keep saying over and over. But this is how I do my brows. This is what works for me. This is how I like them. Sometimes I'll go over too much on one side and I'll just go ahead and clean that up, as you can see. But this is how I do my brows. This is pretty much my brow routine. It's easy. It works for me, and especially because I have these little flyaways that don't want to go down. I'm just going to go ahead and pluck that one because it's kind of aggravating me. All right. So this is my current brow tutorial. This is my affordable brow tutorial. I know it was probably a little bit all over the place, but this is pretty much how I do my brows. I'll share with you guys how I do mine. Please leave comments down below. Let me know if you've used any other affordable great brow pencils that you would like me to give a try, or if you want to know if I've used a certain kind, and I can definitely let you guys know as well. Thank you guys so much for watching, and thank you for all of the continued support. I really do appreciate it. Be on the lookout. I'm going to have more videos coming here soon, and I am going to also be doing a giveaway coming up here. So thank you guys so much for watching, and until the next video, I will see you later. Bye.